Welcome to our IBM I tutorial series. Today, we'll be diving into the percent years built-in function and how you can use it to manipulate dates effectively. The percent years function is a handy tool that converts a number into a duration in years. This duration can then be added to or subtracted from a date or timestamp value. Let's see it in action with a practical example. In this code, we start by declaring two date variables, CurDate and ResultDate. We set CurDate to the current date using %date function. Then we display this date. Here, CurDate displays as October 22nd, 2024. Next, we use %years to add 3 years to CurDate. The result date is October 22nd, 2027. Notice how %years has added exactly 3 years to our initial date. This function always ensures that the date is updated accurately, taking into account leap years and other date considerations. So, in summary, %years is a straightforward and efficient ways to handle date calculations involving years in IBM I. It helps maintain accuracy and simplicity in date manipulations. Thank you for watching our video tutorial on the %years function in IBM I RPGLE by Programmers.io. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on IBM I programming.